Good afternoon, everyone. So this is your basic electrical engineering lab. Okay, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. So this is your basic electrical engineering lab, and since the college is now conducting all the lab experiments online, so all the experiments will be performed uh, here. Okay, and accordingly we will give you all the documents that you have to write and submit those documents in Google Classroom. Okay, and time period will also be given. That means today it will be introduction session. Next day we will perform one lab experiment, and you will have 1 week time to submit that lab experiment copy in Google Classroom. Okay, is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you have to write all the details that we tell you in your A4 sheet. Okay, mention your name, roll number, everything, and our technical assistant, Sir Pradeep Pal, will also tell you how to write the copy. And today, since you don't have any introductory session, what we are going to perform in this lab. So this session is basically the introduction of all the experiments and what we are going to do in the follow-up sessions. Okay. Okay. Now, Pradipal sir is sharing the window. Okay, Pradipal sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Myself, Pradip Pal, T of Asansol Engineering College. Okay, I share you the experiment list. Okay, so this is the list of experiments. Okay, so first is the introduction to basic safety precautions and mentioning of the do's and don'ts. Okay, this is the experiment number one. Okay, and next is the introduction and uses of the following instruments, that is voltmeter, ammeter, and multimeter. In our laboratory, there are different types of voltmeter, ammeter, and multimeter. Okay, so voltmeter are moving coil type, moving iron type. Okay, so ammeter is also moving iron type, and moving coil type are available in our laboratory. Okay, and multimeter is also available. By the multimeter we can by the voltmeter we can measure voltage, DC or AC. Okay, and by ammeter we can measure current, and by multimeter we can measure voltage, current, resistance, etc. Okay, and next number, experiment number three, calibration of test ammeter and wattmeter. Okay, so in our laboratory there are different types of ammeter and wattmeter available there. Okay, so we have to find out the calibration of ammeter. Okay, there is a formula, specific formula, as minus at divided by as into 100. Okay, we also find out the calibration of wattmeter. So calibration means w minus
Pradipal
vs.
sir.
Hello.
Pradipal sir.
Ah,
Pradipal sir. I'm
bol.
just interrupting for just a minute. So, students, these are the list of experiments. So, all of you write these experiment names in your copy. Okay, because this one is very important for you. So list of experiments, you just copy down or just take a snapshot, whatever. Okay, so that you have all the documents with you every time. Okay, sir, continue, sir.
So we are also find out the calibration of wattmeter. So calibration of wattmeter means
So
W
in the
minus
last
VSH
class,
divided by
we have discussed the
VSH into 100.
questions on solar energy, that is module 2, and also the
Yeah.
questions on module 1.
Yes, sir.
Today we will
Audible,
be
sir.
Who is
discussing the
talking?
questions and doubts on
No, sir, I am Mohit Mukhopadhyay,
that
sir.
is the
No
wind
issue, sir.
energy.
একটা আওয়াজ আসছে।
So before I start discussing the question.
Okay, everyone, please mute yourself because noises are coming. Okay, please mute yourself.
Ask me that yes, these are the
Yes,
doubts
sir.
you have.
And
Then we will be proceeding with the questions.
there is a noise coming. Okay, Munit.
Okay. Huh.
Yes.
Apurva, I think so. Apurva sir is taking the class. That's why the noise is coming. Because I can also hear that.
The study of next experiment number phone number is study of RLC series circuit. Okay, so in our laboratory there are
The
resistance, inductor, and capacitor. They are okay. So resistor, inductor, and capacitor will be connected in series. Okay,
graph
and
pattern that is shown in the slide.
we will also connect one
So
variable
in the
voltmeter and
graph,
ammeter.
you can see
Okay, and
written
we'll
that
find out the different readings, 3 or 4 readings. Okay. Next, experiment number 5. Experiment number 5 is open circuit test of a single phase transformer. Okay. So in our laboratory, there is a single phase transformer available. Okay. So we have to find out the open circuit test. Okay. So and next 6 number experiment is short circuit test of single phase transformer. Okay. So open circuit is conducted at rated voltage. So in our laboratory, there is a transformer. So transformer is primary voltage is 115 volt and secondary voltage is
What is the
230
data
volt.
number of that
So
particular
open circuit is conducted at rated voltage, that is 115 voltage.
8
So we will take
opinion?
only one reading at 115 volt primary voltage. Only one take one reading at rated voltage to find out core loss. Okay. And next experiment number 6, short circuit test of a single phase transformer. Okay, so short circuit test is conducted as rated current. So in our laboratory, what transformer we have available in our laboratory, it
This one.
rated current is
This one.
4.33. Okay,
So here
so we'll
see,
take only one reading at
for
current
understanding
level
this,
at 4.33 ampere. Okay, and high voltage side will be connected to the supply side, and low voltage connected will be connected to by one ammeter. Okay, and next experiment number 7, that is measurement of power in a 3-phase circuit by 2 wattmeter method. Okay, so yeah, in our for 3-phase power measurement, we have to find out two different reading. One is balanced load, another is unbalanced load. Okay, when 3 ammeter will be different reading, and another is when 3 ammeter will be same reading. Okay, load will be same. Okay, next, experiment number 8, introduction to PSpice and tangent analysis of RL, RC, and RLC series circuit. Okay, so to perform this experiment, we need a PSpice software. Okay, so then we have to there are program for different program for RL, RC, and RLC circuit. Okay, so there are 3 circuit diagram is also need to find out the graphs or tangent analysis, find out the tangent analysis of this experiment. Okay, so this is software basis experiment. Okay, 8 number experiment is software basis experiment. Okay, hello Monit, hello Monit,
as soon as the
Yes, sir.
is increasing,
speak.
you have an increase in
Okay, okay. So these are the list of experiments, and you should note all the experiments, right? And I already told you in today's first class that there are DC circuits, AC circuits, and transformer. There are 3 different kinds of chapters, and related experiments we are going to perform, right? And I am just giving you one brief description after the Pradipal sir said. Okay. The second one, we will start from the second one, the introduction and use of following instruments. First, voltmeter, you all have drawn and all have used voltmeter in your 11-12 lab, I think. Okay, some of you did, some of you didn't. So we will do all the labs in virtual class. Okay, the voltmeter we use to measure the voltage, ammeter we use to measure the current. Okay, and based on the current measurement, because I already told you that there are two types of current we are discussing. First is direct current, another one is AC current. So two different types of voltmeter, two different types of ammeter we will use. Okay, first one is for DC current measurement, another one for AC current measurement. Okay, next one is the multimeter. Using that multimeter, we can measure the resistance, okay, voltage, current, everything. Right. Next one is the calibration of test ammeter and wattmeter. Why this calibration is required? The calibration formula was told by Pradeep sir. Okay, but the basic need for calibration is due to the weather effect, due to the wear and tear, the ammeter, the wattmeter, all the instruments that we use that may not give the correct value when we experiment, when we do our experiment. Okay, so suppose take one example that you are doing one experiment, suppose voltage measurement. Okay, the actual voltage according to your calculation is 60 volt, right? But in that voltmeter, it is showing that your voltage is 59.8 volts. So your error is 0.2 volt. Why this is coming? That is due to the aging of the instrument, due to wear and tear of the instrument, due to our experiment, due to the dust, due to the weather condition. Many more reasons are there. Okay, so the calibration is that's why so important before doing the any experiment. Okay, next one is the study of RLC series, the resistor, inductor, capacitor, all I discussed today. Okay, now if the resistor, inductor are connected with each other, okay, in back-to-back position, that means one end, the end of the resistor and the first end of the inductor if connected, and then capacitor is connected just like the same manner, then what is your curve, how much is your magnitude of current, what will be your graph, okay, that we are going to calculate, right, in the study of RLC series circuit. Next, I told you the transformer that is in your module 3. Okay, here two types of transformers are there, single phase and three phase. Okay, here we will do our experiment based on the single phase transformer. Two types of test we will perform. First, open circuit test, another one is short circuit test. And it is these two tests are very important because these two tests give us the value of the inner measurements, that means their core loss and copper loss. It is very much important. Okay, next one is the measurement of power in three-phase circuit. Okay, and the introduction of PSpice and the transient analysis, that means RL circuit, RC circuit and RLC series circuit. Okay, so before we do our experiment in PSpice, you have to install PSpice in your laptop. Those who have laptop, install that PSpice. Okay, its version details we will give you. Pradipal sir will give you what version is suitable for our experiment. Okay, and when we do our offline classes, there are certain rules and regulations that you have to maintain. Okay, remember this very carefully because we have high voltage instruments in our lab. So always when you are going to perform your experiment, come to the lab wearing shoes. Okay, not in sandals or any other. Okay, always wear shoes when coming to the lab. Okay, and before the experiment reading, before taking the experiments reading, always ask the sir who is attend there to check the circuits you had made. Okay, so there are certain these regulations you have to perform, and these are the topics based on which you have to write your lab, and always write your lab in A4 sheet. Okay, and Google Classroom link will be given within today in the group for F1. This is F1 group. Okay, and you have to submit your answer sheet within 1 week time. Okay, otherwise you will be marked late and marks will be deducted. So be careful about that. Okay, so this is the introductory session of basic electrical engineering lab. From next class, we will perform the experiments one by one. Okay, and all of you give your attendance in the chat box. Okay, so thank you everyone. If you have given your attendance, you may leave the meeting. Thank you. Okay, Pradipal sir.
Hello.
Yes, so all the documents and all the lab experiments we will start from next class. Okay, okay, and Google Classroom will be created, and there what is the procedure for submitting their lab experiments, just please mention there. Okay, okay, thank you sir, thank you everyone. Everyone give your attendance, and if you have given your attendance, you may leave the Zoom meeting, you may leave the Google Meet meeting. Okay, thank you.
Cannot operate, and there will be much more obstacles coming into the path.
Okay, if you have any other query, you can unmute yourself and speak. No issue.
Very carefully and listen.
And also for your problem and query solving, already a WhatsApp group I had created. You are already connected there. So if any problem is there regarding any class or lab, you may contact me or Pradipal sir. Okay.
This will not be a homework because these are the characteristics of the homework. Speech,
Sir, the practicals will be written in A4 size paper only?
Yes, only A4 sheet paper.
Okay, sir. Sir, we have to create a file or no?
Yes, first of all, in A4 sheet, whatever practical you will perform, you will write that in A4 sheet, then make a PDF, maybe of 3 or 4 pages. Okay, then you have to upload that in Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
Here, in case of the question is heading into different. If we are asking you that what are the components of the building, then you have to discuss this up to this one, then up to the second.
Okay, if you have given your attendance, you may leave the meeting. Your class is officially over.
Or what are the characteristics of the building power?